Hey, it's Charlie with BAK Industries again, here at the Truck Hero booth at SEMA. And you know, BAK Industries has been a leading innovator in truck bed technology back in 2005 with the back flip flush fit hard folding cover, and again with the Revolver hard rolling cover. You got to know when to roll and know when to fold. And when it comes to rolling covers, a hard, rigid, secure finish is the key. Unlock the tailgate, drop your tailgate, and we've got a convenient pull cable release on the passenger and driver's side to release the automatic latching system. A locking lever and a locking rail that with a spring release releases it so that you can roll the cover easily to the front. Big lifted trucks, or like my wife, vertically challenged, it's convenient to roll it along the rails with no lifting. But even more so when you get it rolled up to the front, we've got a strap and buckle. They're going to clip it in easily, and you can still see out the top of the window with your rear view mirror out the back. A clever, hidden mechanical locking rail is our security feature with a patented design. And this is incredible for locking and securing all your valuables that you want in the bed of your truck, like this boombox subwoofer that's been added in this Chevrolet. Rolling the cover down is effortless. These blocks on the side have a locking slat. The cover is loose until I hit this locking lever. As soon as I hit that locking lever, you are locked and loaded, baby. Easy close tailgate feature lets anybody use this cover with ease. The Revolver at around $1,100 is a tremendous value that adds to the way you use this pickup bed and will not interfere with your needs.